Hey, how you guys doing? Before we start, I just wanted to ask, did you guys go over the payment solution that we were discussing, and also the integration of the gateway provider, this is the gateway provider. So the question is, do you understand how to integrate this gateway provider? And what questions do you have or may have? So the question in terms of the first integration was with this company, VIK, sorry. So I'm not sure if it was clear. I don't see any questions because I want to make sure before you go to the guide, you understand the whole thing. So this is one part of it. So first, do you understand how to integrate with this payment gateway? So please, if you don't understand or you have questions, please list those questions so you could ask the guide. Next question, do you understand how to integrate this solution with this gateway? That's the second question. If you don't know, what is the questions do you have? And then the next question is, did you go over this document, which goes over the payment solution that we're looking to build? The case study will give you insight in what the solution will do. So please let me know. Please, the idea of going over the information was to get a hang to see if those things I just covered, if you understood it, so that when you go to the guide now, he can then answer those questions you may have, and then you guys can start the process of learning how to integrate that gateway with the solution. So please let me know before I connect you to the guide, because I don't want you to now go to the guide and then don't understand the whole process. So let me know, please.